Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL earbuds with your Android phone. So to do this, you have to open this charging case and remove both earbuds, the left and the right one. You can just take a look for these indicators, and when they are blinking it means that we are in the pairing mode, so we can simply open the Bluetooth settings. And from the list we have to select JBL Vibe Flex. Accept the pairing. Okay, and next what you have to do is just to open the Play Store and get the JBL headphones application. There we go. So we have to download this application and then open and accept every permission that we can find right here. As you can see, when we previously connect these earbuds by the standard Bluetooth settings, we will be already connected. So right now all you have to do is just to select your JBL Vibe Flex. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.